We're going to put 5 cups of food coloring. This is the food coloring. Yes, now since we have this, we can mix it up. Wow, mine is green. Mine is pink. Mine is it's like green. It'll be on the thing, on the TV. This is green and this is pink. Can you see? It's pink and that one's green. It's like green slime on Nick Jr. Green. Green. Now we're slowly gonna pour in the borax. Careful. That's so sticky. Ow. It's everywhere on the hands. Look at this big slime. I want to show yours. That's so cool. Can I follow yours? Yeah, here. Oh, the glitter. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Now I'm going to put glitter. That's my glitter. Here. Look at me sparkling. I'm gonna slime. Yep. What? It's slime. Slime is so fun until I take this out. The water's pretty too. It's slippery. Slime. This is hard. I can't even push it in. I'm happy. It's because it's slippery. Hey, this one is super sticky. Is it extra sticky for crying? Yes. Look at my hands. Look how much dirty it is in their hands. Isn't that awful? Ooh, I want to make a shake. I want to make a circle. It's hard. Whoa, I made it. You made it? Whoa. Not yet. Olivia, can you rap about slime? Slime and the mime and the mama and fine. Slime and the mime and the mama and fine. When you make it slime about like flies when you want to like it and then you say hi and you want to go and then the slime talks and then you want to go and it turns into sauce. Dippity dong! Dong! My